Unveiling Congratulations, exploring its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common but important phrase in English. Congratulations. This phrase is often heard in various celebrations and significant life events. Understanding its meaning and usage will not only enhance your English skills but also help you connect better in social situations. So, let's get started. Congratulations is an expression of joy, praise, or acknowledgement for an achievement or a significant event in someone's life. It's a way of saying, "I'm happy for you," or "well done." This phrase is used when someone has achieved something noteworthy, like graduating, getting a new job, or winning a competition. The word originates from the Latin word congratulare, meaning to wish joy. Understanding the right context is crucial. Here are some common situations. 1. Academic achievements, like graduating from school or university. 2. Professional milestones, such as promotions or new jobs. 3. Personal events, engagements, weddings, or the birth of a child. 4. Winning competitions or awards, in sports, arts, or other fields. Remember, the key is to use it during positive and happy occasions. To add variety, you can use these alternatives. 1. Well done, for smaller achievements. 2. Bravo shows enthusiasm and is often used in artistic contexts. 3. Kudos, a more informal way, great for casual settings or among friends. I'm so happy for you adds a personal touch and emphasizes your joy for their success. Good job, asterisk, ideal for acknowledging someone's effort. Experiment with these based on the situation and your relationship with the person. It's always nice to personalize your congratulations. It's important to note that expressions of congratulations can vary culturally. For instance, in some cultures, overly enthusiastic congratulations for certain achievements, like promotions, might be seen as insincere. In others, not acknowledging someone's success could be considered rude. Being aware of these nuances can help in effective communication and maintaining good relationships, especially in diverse or international settings. And there you have it. You now know more about the phrase, congratulations, when to use it, its alternatives, and the cultural considerations. Remember, the key is to express genuine happiness and acknowledgement for someone's success. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for your English language journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and stay positive.